Godot is currently in the stage from 3 to 4. The main purpose of the tool is to manage various versions of Godot projects at the same time. Not much nonsense. I have an empty software that I just downloaded, and the version that I use already imported data for everyone to preview and compare. First, look at the engine import. Here you need to select the executable file of the engine. After confirmation, the tool will execute the version command to determine the engine version. Automatically fill version and console execution file directory, etc. Give this version a recognizable name. The setting will be used by default. In subsequent batch import projects, the default engine will be used as the startup engine. For new projects, tags can be added to the engine. Once tags are added, they are written to the database. So try not to write wrong. Otherwise, it will be troublesome to delete. Modify the color of the label. Delete label. Tab bar auto-completion. Click OK to add the engine successfully. If there is a problem, it can be revised. Click the Start button to start the engine. Click on the folder icon to open the folder. Click on the terminal to start Godot with console. Add version 3.5 Godot. Here you can filter and search by tags. You can also search fuzzily based on name, version, etc. Encryption key can be set for the engine. The list page can easily copy the key to the clipboard. Adding projects can be added in batches or imported one by one. Import I recommend using the terminal version of Godot. You can see the scanning process through the console. The import is successful. The page will not refresh automatically. Force refresh by changing filter conditions. You can see that all items are imported normally. You can also manually add one by one. Note the selected folder path. The engine version can be modified later. Set preview image, etc. Also click the play button to start the project directly with the corresponding engine. In addition to the collection function, all remaining operations and engine parts are similar. Favorite items will be displayed on top. The following describes the preview image settings. I haven't opened some projects on GitHub for a long time. I don't know exactly what this project is about. The preview image can help us quickly understand. When the modification or addition window pops up, you can drag and drop pictures onto the tool window. The tool will read these pictures, and a selection window will pop up. Then you can add all or part of them like this. Hover over the thumbnail for 1 second. To preview the original image, click the right mouse button in the preview state. To cancel the preview, the label operation and the engine part are the same. The preview image can be displayed by switching the list page. Game assets such as music, sprites, special effects, etc. It can also be added to the tool for easy search and viewing. The operation method is similar to before. Only the effect is shown here. And finally, tools. The icon of the tool needs to extract the icon of the target execution file in advance. This function can be achieved by using Icon Viewer, which will not be described in detail here. The extracted icon is saved as icon.png. Godot can directly scan to icons. Can also be selected individually. Click to play is also directly launched. Finally, introduce the setting column. Switch language. Set up quick tags. Note here that the screenshot tool saves the directory. There is a skin button next to the imported pictures. You can scan screenshots of the day and project root path images. As a screenshot tool, I recommend using Flameshot. Let me do a demo. The file-saving format of screenshots is connected by a short horizontal line with year, month, and day. The save path is the same as the setting in Godot. Flameshot saved the picture for us. You can see it in the scanned picture. Finally, look at the data. All data is in the data directory. Godot memory.db is a Splat local database file. Use Splat Studio to open and view data and table structures. If you need to delete the label, you can do it manually here. All preview images are stored in the cache. Pictures with the same name. And content will not be stored in multiple copies. Godot memory shows the use of images in the cache folder. Deleting the original image will not affect it. Thank you for watching. The project is open source and free to download. If you have any questions, please leave a message in the comment area.